I have a confession to make.
I don't know how to vlog, but I would like to vlog.
Pwede ka mag-take ng mga POV shot mo or mga day in my life mga vlogs mo. Stop recording, press mo lang to ulit.
Wala pa tayong tripod. May Go Ultra kayo? Okay, so wala silang Go Ultra. O diba? Episode 2 na? Christmas came early. Kaya naman excited na excited ako. After purchasing the unit, syempre, try kagad ang features ng bagong camera. This tiny thing is really a powerhouse. It captures 360 degrees of life and keeps every shot steady no matter how much you move. It's so light you can clip it anywhere. Ang saya ng hands-free mode. Perfect! Without us getting the car, we're going to Trinoma from SM. Again, we're on the hunt for the next Instax 360 Go Ultra.
I have a confession to make.
Sorry hindi ako vlogger. Trying hard vlogger mom lang tayo. No, MJ? Tagal na namin gusto mag-vlog ni MJ. MJ, anong pangalan ng vlog natin? Vlogag. Vlogag. This little thing captures crystal clear 4K video with flow state stabilization. So if you're walking, dancing, the shots stay buttery smooth. So far enjoying my experience with my new Instax 360. I have my Osmo Pocket 3 still with me. Of course, I still enjoy it. Iba lang yung feels nitong Instax 360 Go Ultra. Kasi talagang I'm literally holding the entire camera on the palm of my hand. And it feels weird, no, nung una. Pero it grows on you somehow. So, good job. Instax 360.
Ready ka pumasok ulit doon?
Saan?
Skydome?
Mag-jump ka ba sasayaw?
Oo.
Okay. Ready.
First stage na sinayawang ko.
Dyan ba yung ano?
First stage ko? Unang demo ko?
Oo.
Oo. Kaya very sentimental.
Di nyo natatanong, dancerist yang si MJ. Dati siyang member ng A-Team. Oh my gosh, papatayin ko po anak ko. Pinatatawid niya ako as in literal. Literal, pinatatawid niya ako sa kalsada. Oh my gosh, my booth. Hello? Anong level, Jay?
Level 2 po.
So, Gabby, this is for you.
Okay, start na natin at pass na natin. Dance, physical appearance. Kasi nagkakabit ma'am, ingit na ingit siya. Gusto nila ng bumili. Pabili daw siya sa jowa niya sa abroad. Pabili ka. Ito naman may jowa ka abroad.
This is Gabby's camera. Yahoo! Gabby! MJ, congratulations.
Gift ko rin sa'yo.
MJ, how are you?
Okay ka sa gift mo?
Oo naman. Ikaw, okay ka sa gift mo kay,
Sa inyo?
Kay Gabby, oo. Okay ka sa gift namin?
Yeah.
Ha?
Ano nagustuhan niyo?
Oh, tingnan mo naman, ginagamit ko na nga eh. Yan o, yan o, yan o. It has voice control so you can literally say, "Start recording," and it listens. Oh my gosh, bata parang ang layo. Oh my gosh. Ito mo dinadala.
This, my everyday life.
Oh my gosh. Ang dami kong oh my gosh as unedited ito. Kasi sa north.
Diretso lang.
Bakit hindi tayo dyan dumaan kanina? Mas madali yung dinaanan natin kanina.
Ha?
Mas madali yung dinaanan natin kanina.
Sa kabilang dulo tayo.
Ha? Bakit tayo nandito sa kabilang dulo? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, ba't nakikita ko yung MRT? MJ, ang layo! And the battery life? Crazy good! Okay, wala, mabilis tayo maglakad. Oh my gosh, MJ, masasakay ko itong anak ko. I swear. Excuse me po. Excuse me po. But you know what made the day even better? Keep on watching. Woo! Let's go! Okay. So dito tayo sa may pulis mag-aabang ng tawiran. Okay, Kuya, kami rin. Okay, thank you. Alright. Okay, good. Dito tayo sa may police so that we are safe. Let's wait for the Kuya. Thank you, Kuya. Okay. Alright. There you go. We're back in SM North from Trinoma. Successfully, we're back. Congratulations, MJ. Congratulations sa pagtawid. Congratulate me. Successful day. Successful. Yeah, successful kasi nakuha namin yung dalawang camera. Although we weren't able to get the creator, okay lang. Yeah, still, it's a good day to at least unwind, no? And have time with MJ because I'll be away tomorrow. Hindi ko alam kung kailan niya bibigay yung camera niya. But I hope I'm there. Excited ka, MJ? Excited ka to give your
Gift?
ah,
Parang mabigay eh, pero...
pero nagpipigil ka. Gusto ko makita.
Ha?
Gusto ko makita kung bibigay mo.
Parang magbibigay ko. Saan mo? Bibigay ko yun sa...
Saan?
December pa eh.
December pa. So, a lot of waiting.
So, baka ang plan ko pa ibigay sa Tyla.
Sa
Ay,
December.
hindi. Oo, sa Tyla. Para by the time na concert,
Ay, sayang naman, di nyo magagamit sa dance nyo.
Ay, habang training. Sana.
May pawis. Ay. Ganyan talaga.
Tawid lang yun ang multo mo.
Pawis na talaga, may pawis. Dito na tayo? Hindi nga. Sure ka? Eh bakit ang layo ng inikot-ikot natin kanina?
Naghahanap tayo. Pasa ng cyber zone eh. Kumakit tayo kasi kala natin sa pinakataas.
Okay. Tapos, saan tayo? Oo nga pala. Yan na tayo, no? Yes, thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
Hindi nga.
Yep. Hindi ko lang
Tagalan mo yun, dikit mo somewhere. Bakal, di ba?
Ay, alam ko na. Ito.
It comes with a flip touchscreen action pod so you can see yourself while filming. Perfect for vloggers.
Kitang-kita tayo.
But you know, it wasn't just about the camera. It was about the joy, the chaos, and the laughter in between, the little arguments when crossing the street, the teamwork, the patience, and of course, the thumbs up moment.